Hey guys, this is Devin with Backyard Projects, and today I'm going to plant my sad looking bird of paradise. Anyway, it's still gonna grow, it'll be alright, I'm gonna bury it. I mainly just wanted to do this video so later I could be like, it did live, or if it didn't, then I just won't follow up with it. But anyway, alright, so let me go ahead and get this thing planted real quick. By the way, the root system on this thing is huge. Alright, so we're gonna go right here. And I'm gonna go pretty deep. There we go. Spread out the roots a little bit. Just like that. Alright, so I will leave this on just till it finally dies because it's still photosynthesizing. Even though it's leaning over, it's still doing what it's got to do. And until that other leaf pops up like it's supposed to, that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to leave it because I know that it's going to pop up. But anyway, alright, I just wanted to do a short video just so if it worked, I could prove to people that, that it did live and I know it would. So anyway, till next time, thanks, bye.